Okay, so first we have the function y equals -3 the square root of x plus 5 -4. And the parent function of this is the square root of x, which is the graph right here. So first what we're going to do to graph this function is to break it down into each of its pieces so it's easier. So first we're going to take this negative, which means that we will reflect it over the x-axis. So that'll look something like this. Alright, next we have the 3, which will make it stretch. Then the plus 5, which is going to be going right. So 1, 2, 3, 5. And then -4, which is going down 4. So this is where our function ends up on the purple graph right here. So we need to figure out the domain of this, which is our x values. So we're going to see if we can make some walls on the side to stop this graph right here. So we can't make one on this side because it's just going to keep going through. But we can make one right here, which will be 5. So x is going to be greater than or equal to 5. And our range are our y values. So our y values are going to be trying to make a ceiling and a floor up over and under our function. We can't do a floor because it's just going to keep going through it. So we have to do a ceiling, which will be along this line, which is -4. So y equals is less than or equal to -4. Then when we look for the asymptotes, there isn't one because an asymptote is a line that the function gets closer to, but it doesn't end up touching. And in this case, we don't have one of those, so there is none. And then for our end behavior, we're going to see what happens to the y values, which are along this line, as the x values get bigger. So, as x approaches infinity, y approaches negative infinity, because we have the x values getting greater and greater, and then the y values are going down and down negatively continuously.